system-related file formats and file extensions, Druv device driver file, echo icon file, INI initialization file, link Windows shortcut file, sys Windows system file, temp temporary file, backup file, cab Windows cabinet file, CFG configuration file, CPL Windows control panel file, cur Windows cursor file, demp dump file. TCS previous year's questions. Q1. Which of the following is not a valid file format in MS Word 365? SSC CHSL the 15th of March 2023 Shift 4a.xb.dcp c.doc docs. Sol. b.dcp. File extension in MS Word. .doc MS Word 2003 and earlier file. Lotus Works word processor file and Microsoft WordPad file docm. Microsoft Word file with macros. .m later template file with macros.x. Microsoft Word 2 have pre-formatted settings. Microsoft Office 365 was launched in 2011. Q2. Which of the following is not a valid file format in MS PowerPoint 365? SSC CHSL the 21st of March 2023 Shift 3a PPTM Bport c.pptd pptx. Sol. Bport PPTM file extension is a macro-enabled presentation created by MS PowerPoint which contains slides with layout, images, texts and embedded macros. PPT file extension refers to PowerPoint 97 2003 presentation. PPTX file extension is a PowerPoint presentation for Microsoft Office 2007 and newer versions. Some other extensions. .pdf portable document format. .xps a new electronic paper format for exchanging documents. .gif graphics interchange format. A slide as a graphic for use on web pages. Q3. Which of the following is an extension of a temporary file? SSC CHSL the 12th of April 2021 morning. A .tnt b.tar c.tmpd.txt. Sol. c.tmp is an extension of a temporary file. A temp file is a temporary backup, cache, or other data file created automatically by a software program. Notepad is a common text-only plain text editor. The resulting files are saved with text extension, have no format tags or styles. The .tnt file extension indicates to your device which app can open the file. .tar stands for tape archive. File AN is commonly used on servers as a precursor to zip files. Q4. A file with the _______ file extension is a Word Open XML macro enabled document file. SSC CHSL the 12th of April 2021 evening. A docm b pdf c docs d org. Sol. A file with the docm file extension is a Word Open XML macro-enabled document file. Docs doc files are used to store word processing data. Portable document format is the extension of PDF. PDF stands for portable document format and was developed by Adobe. Org top-level domain stands for organization and is primarily used for non-profit websites such as charities, NGOs, open source projects, and educational platforms. Q5. What kind of file has the extension .png? SSC CHSL the 15th of April 2021 evening. A. Document file. B. Video file. C. Audio file. D. Image file. Sol. D. A PNG file is an image saved in the portable network graphic PNG format. It is the most frequently used Uncompressed raster image format on the internet, having the ability to display transparent backgrounds. Q6. Which of the following is one of the file formats used for web graphics? SSC CHSL, the 5th of August 2021 morning. A GIF b.xc.txt d docs. Sol. A GIF is one of the file formats used for web graphics. GIF or graphics interchange format files are widely used for web graphics because they are limited to only 256 colors, can allow for transparency, and can be animated. Q7. Which of the following file formats does MS Paint use to open and save files in Windows? SSC CHSL, the 6th of August 2021 morning. A .doc b.xlsc jpeg d.ppt sol. C. JPEG file formats MS Paint use to open and save files in Windows. Q8. The underscore is a 3 or 4 letter abbreviation that signifies the file type. SSC CHSL, the 10th of August 2021 evening. A extension b search, C. virus d name. Sol. The extension is a 3 or 4 letter abbreviation that signifies the file type. Q9. Which of the following is an audio file extension? RRBNTPC, the 19th of January 2021 evening. MA B Move C VMV D MAP5. Sol. Windows Media Audio MA is a series of audio codecs and their corresponding audio coding formats developed by Microsoft. Move, developed by Apple. The Move file extension represents QuickTime Video Format. VMV is a Windows Media Video developed by Microsoft. Q. Thus, which among the following is not an extension for a video file? RRBNTPC, the 20th of January 2021 evening. .avb.mov C JPEG D MAP4. Sol. C. JPEG stands for Joint Photographic Experts Group. It is an extension of the image file. .av as audio video interleave. Move is a file extension of Apple QuickTime movie files. MP4 is a digital multimedia container format most commonly used to store video and audio. Q11. PSD is a file extension for which type of computer file? RRBNTPC, the 1st of March 2021 morning. Adobe Acrobat B. Adobe Photoshop C. Microsoft Word D. Paint Shop Pro. Sol. BPSD is a file extension for Adobe Photoshop of computer files. PDF is a file extension for Adobe Acrobat. Document is the extension for MS Word file. .psp is the file extension for Paint Shop Pro. Q12. PNG file is an RRBNTPC, the 15th of March 2021 morning. A video file B. Image file. C. Batch file D. Audio file. Sol. BPNG portable graphics format file is an image file. The portable network graphic PNG file format is ideal for digital art, flat images, logos, icons, etc., and uses 24-bit color as a foundation.